Right. So in May, the company announced that Lars Hugo Jorgensen would step down from his role as CEO of Novo Nordisk by mutual agreement with the Novo Nordisk board. And then earlier today, which was July 29th, they announced that Lars will be succeeded by Mike Duster as president and CEO of Novo Nordisk. Mike has been executive vice president and head of international operations since 2015, and under his leadership over the past decade, the international operations segment has more than doubled sales and grown to an organization of nearly 20,000 employees, serving around 35 million patients. So, a lot to digest there. Let me take it one step at a time. First of all, changing the CEO, especially a long-time CEO like so as CEO, Mike will be focused on strengthening the company's global leadership in diabetes and obesity, enhancing commercial execution, and driving greater efficiency across the company. So, my thoughts about this strategy going forward, it's still too early to tell where this new CEO will take the company. So, in addition to the announcement of a new CEO, they also updated on performance and expectations going forward. In the first 6 months of 2025, Novo Nordisk sales increased by 18% and operating profit increased by 29%. However, looking ahead, Novo Nordisk expects worsening performance. They lowered their full year outlook for 2025 compared to the outlook they provided in May. And for 2025, the range for sales growth is now expected to be 8% to 14%, so a much lower outlook. Now, I will say, in my experience in evaluating companies, when there is a change in leadership, there's also a change in outlook. Usually happens in conjunction with the change in leadership. Near term performance usually suffers in terms of profitability, revenue, all usually suffer, and stock price usually initially declines. Um, that's because uh, an incoming CEO usually likes to uh, clean house, throw away all these policies from the previous CEO, usually likes to get those out of the way before his days begin. And then that way, click the link below to watch the full video.